8 punch to. Okay, shot na sa 8 punch. Okay, ready? Cross your legs. And then again. Oh. Punta kayo sa 8 punch. O, 8 punch. Huwag tumigil. Huwag tumigil. Okay. Asan yung kaliwa yung nasa? Okay, next. Ano tawag doon? Nasa likod. Next, outer naman. Step. Back leg. Dapat distance away. Back leg natin. Yun yung ilalagay natin dito. Okay, go. 8 punch. Yung kaliwa, yung cross.
Small na po. 10:45.
And then you twist.
Go. Slide.
Again. Pwede tama na yun eh. Okay, lagay dun sa 8 punch. Okay, ready? Kasi left na, di ba? O, so, left yung nasa taas ko. Ready? Left yung nasa taas. Left. Huwag magpas. Okay, huwag magpas sa panitan. That's all. Ready?
Jump, jump. Go. Again.
Forward start. Okay, cross. O, cross muna. Eh, wala muna ng tipis. You cross. Twist. Cross. Yan, good. Lock.
Shout, shout.
Twist.
Ah!
Lock.
Shout.
Forward stance.
Ah!
Forward stance. Paano yung forward stance? Ay, nako, dapat itinakamutan. Twist. Dapat na. Wala na step.
Jump.
Again. Balik ulit sa 1 to 8. Okay, go. Ulit.